security checkpoint and left behind your laptop, please return for identifying plate. If you recently came through the north security checkpoint and left behind your...
And stowed for takeoff.
Can we get away this weekend? Take me to Broadway. Let's go shopping, maybe then we'll go to a cafe. Let's go on Subway. Take me to your hood. I've never been to Brooklyn and I'd like to see what's good. Dressed in all your fancy clothes, sneakers looking fresh to death. I'm loving those show toes. Walking that walk, talk that slick talk, liking this American boy, American boy. Take me on.
Like when they go to different restaurants and then they rate it.
Did you try the bulgogi?
No, I didn't try that yet. No, wait, did I? No, I didn't try it. I'm gonna rate this.
You have more of a steak. This fit. This is probably
That's the C charger. That's the C charger.
I don't know. I thought that's my sister. I don't have